Several online resources are available for electrical contractors seeking list prices for electrical supplies. Grainger is one such resource, offering a wide range of electrical products. Their website typically provides detailed product information and pricing, though creating an account may be required to access certain information. Home Depot Pro caters specifically to commercial contractors, offering a dedicated section with potentially different pricing and bulk purchase options. Similar to Grainger, registration or login might be necessary to view list prices. Lowe's for Pros also provides services tailored to business customers. Rexel USA is another option to consider. They are a distributor of electrical, industrial automation, and energy management products and services. Accessing their pricing may require creating an account. Zoro offers a broad selection of electrical supplies and industrial products, and they often have competitive pricing, though checking availability and shipping costs is recommended. Allied Electrical specializes in electronic components and electrical supplies, and their website provides datasheets and pricing information, but larger quantity discounts may require direct contact. McMaster-Carr offers a comprehensive catalog of industrial supplies, including electrical components. While known for a vast selection, their pricing might be higher than other suppliers, so comparing prices is advisable. Newark is another distributor specializing in electronic components and electrical supplies. Their website provides detailed product information and pricing, along with datasheets and application notes. Digi-Key focuses on electronic components, including a wide array of electrical connectors, wires, and cables, and their website is a valuable source for detailed specifications and pricing, especially for smaller components. Mouser Electronics is similar to Digi-Key, offering a vast selection of electronic components and electrical supplies. They are known for carrying a wide range of manufacturers and providing detailed technical information. When using these online resources, it's important to keep several factors in mind. Firstly, list prices can vary significantly based on location, so ensure the website is configured for your region. Secondly, quantity ordered often impacts pricing, with bulk discounts available for larger purchases. Therefore, consider consolidating your orders to potentially save money. Thirdly, availability of products can fluctuate, so it's always wise to check lead times and estimated delivery dates. Fourthly, remember that list prices are subject to change without notice, and websites may not always reflect the most up-to-date pricing. Therefore, it's advisable to confirm pricing directly with the supplier, especially for large orders or critical projects. Fifthly, creating accounts on these websites can often unlock additional features, such as access to volume pricing, customized catalogs, and order tracking. Consider registering for accounts with the suppliers you use most frequently to streamline your purchasing process. Sixthly, be aware of shipping costs and handling fees, as these can add significantly to the overall cost of your order. Compare shipping options and factor these costs into your decision-making process. Seventhly, when sourcing electrical supplies, always ensure that the products meet the required safety standards and certifications for your specific application. Check for UL listing, CSA approval, or other relevant certifications. Eighthly, many suppliers offer technical support and application assistance. Don't hesitate to reach out to their technical teams if you have questions about product specifications, installation procedures, or compatibility issues. Ninthly, consider using online comparison tools to compare prices from multiple suppliers simultaneously. These tools can help you quickly identify the most cost-effective options for your specific needs. Tenthly, stay informed about industry trends and emerging technologies in the electrical supply market. Subscribing to industry newsletters, attending trade shows, and participating in online forums can help you stay ahead of the curve. In addition to online resources, consider exploring local electrical supply houses in your area. These suppliers often offer competitive pricing and personalized service. Building relationships with local suppliers can be beneficial for obtaining hard-to-find items, negotiating better pricing, and receiving timely support. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electrical supplies and equipment. Follow all applicable electrical codes and safety regulations. If you're unsure about any aspect of an electrical installation, consult a qualified electrician.